This question comes mostly from installer. How should I commission Evoplus when I'm on the field? You will be surprised how easy is my solution, because there is not much to do, so I can tell you very quickly. First of all, you have to connect the pump to the pipeline. It looks something stupid, but actually it's very important, especially when it's time to select your pump, because the thread size or the flange size, and especially the distance between port to port, makes a difference when it's time to install. If your pump is too big, especially in replacement market, if your pump is too long, too big, or too short, you might have problem. You need the proper connectors, you need to extend the pipeline, so that could be tricky. So first thing to do when you choose your pump, double check the dimension of the wet end, of the shape of the pump, because it must match the circuit, the diameter of the pipe as well, that you are installing the pump. So this is from hydraulic point of view. Then remember to put the pump in a horizontal position with the shaft always parallel to the ground. So this is fine. If you have an horizontal pipe, this is fine. Very recommended to rotate the head of the pump with this 4 screw in here. Unscrew them, rotate the pump, and put the display to be vertical face to you, so you can actually act better on the keyboard. This is all from mechanical point of view. Then from electrical point of view, we have a connector down here. The connector is already provided with the pump, so you just have to connect the 3 wires from the power supply. Evoplus is always a single phase pump, so line, neutral, and ground connected here. Insert the connector and the pump is powered on. And finally, the last step is to set the main parameters. But there are too many parameters to set. I would say only 2. One is the pressure set point, and one is the type of curve that you want to use. We have seen the curve before: constant pressure, proportional pressure, or constant speed. And then you have to choose the set point in meters: 5 meters, 8 meters, 10 meters, whatever it is, according to your calculations. To set the main parameters, what you have to do is pushing the central button in here to scroll, and then plus and minus to increase or decrease, or to select right or left, and then set to confirm. Remember, one key point for our product is when you select a new value for one parameter, remember to press the central button and keep it pushed for 3-4 seconds until the pump tells you, yes, I got it, yeah, I will take this choice. Okay, and then what we saw before, just double check about air bleeding the pipeline, double check the pump is working properly, double check the red light in here is not giving you any alarm or any warning, and the pump is ready to go. If you have some connection with external devices, can be a temperature sensor or an external input or output, just double check on your terminal block on top of here if the connections are working fine and if you are able to communicate with your pump. So that's all. Once you have done the right selection on the hydraulic wet end and you have done the preliminary parameter setting and electrical installation on the VFD side, the job is done. Easy.